Welcome, welcome. It's Jennifer Gilman here, and welcome to our private Facebook group called Coach Me. In this group, we're going to be running the Eat the Rainbow Challenge. So it's 7 days. It doesn't start until December 12th, and it runs through December 18th, okay? And what you're going to do is first go into the Files tab of this private group and print off 3 things, or you can save them digitally on your device, whatever you want to do there. So one of the items is a checklist, and this is the fun part of it. You're going to see the 6 categories of the rainbow foods, so you can get ideas of what that might be. And then you see a checklist to the right of it, and it runs basically Sunday through Saturday. We're going to actually start on a Monday, so you're going to do Monday through Sunday. And there's 2 boxes for each category. Ideally, what we're looking at is trying to fill those up. But I want you to create your own goals for this. So start thinking about how many color foods you would like to really eat basically in a day. So maybe you decide out of the 6 colors that you're like, I'm going to try to do 4 colors a day. And the challenge is 7 days, but you might also, if this is really new and you don't eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, you might say to yourself, you know what, I'm going to go for 4 days out of this week that I'm going to eat those 4 different colors each day. Okay, so I want you to think about a realistic goal for yourself. Okay, we're not comparing against other people. This is all about you helping bring more color into your life. We're adding something this month instead of like subtracting and looking at eliminating and restrictive nutrition and all of that. December is meant to be fun. So that's why we're doing this adding of different colors, eating the rainbow. And notice on your sheet, it's not just vegetables and fruits. You might have thought that that was eating the rainbow, but there's also a couple of other little surprises there. For instance, in the blue, purple, black category, you're going to see black rice. That counts. Anything of these colors has phytonutrients, phyto meaning plant. Plant nutrients really are wonderful for our health. And on one of the documents, which is the second one you're going to download and print, is actually a checklist of kind of an enhanced version of what you can choose from each category. So you're going to print the checklist. You're going to print the food list so you can get a little bit more expanded idea of the foods that you can eat that count towards checking those boxes once we actually get started on December 12th. And then the third one, for those of you who like to have recipes, then I've included some recipes as well. And what's nice about the recipes is now I'm teaching you how to combine, okay? So say you have a salad and you put tomatoes on there, and like you've got romaine salad, tomatoes on there, and maybe some fresh blueberries and maybe some onions. Well, now we just hit 4 categories in one sitting, okay? So I want you to think about it that way. That way it's not so like overwhelming to think, how am I going to get all these colors in? Ultimately, I will share with you healthy, like all optimal health and wellness. You want to have 9 to 13 of these a day, 9 to 13 servings, and you want to touch all the colors. So that's optimal, but I want you to start where you're at and start thinking about what your goal is, like we talked about, all right? So print off those three things. Over the next week, I'm going to drop in with more information. Check out the post so that you can start preparing for this. And then starting next Monday, which is on the 12th, you're going to see me go in live every day. We're going to do more education on each category. So I'll start with the red foods. We'll talk a little bit more in depth about that. I'll also hit some FAQs. And in the meantime, share with each other what your goals are. If we actually say it out loud or write it down, a goal is more likely to be achieved. So for now, again, print the documents and think about what's your personal goal for this challenge. And I really encourage you to share it in the group so we can all celebrate with you when you succeed. Okay? Bye for now.